In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage email addresses within a contact record in HubSpot. This simple yet crucial process can significantly enhance your CRM efficiency and ensure your contact details are accurate and up to date. Let's dive right into it. First, we need to access the relevant contacts section within HubSpot. To do this, start by navigating to the CRM area in your HubSpot dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to click on Contacts. This action will bring up the list of all your current contacts. From here, select the specific contact record you wish to update. Now you should see the contact's detailed information displayed, which includes various fields such as name, phone number, and email address. Next, let's make adjustments to the contact's email information. On the left sidebar of the contact's record, look for the email field. Once you find it, hover your mouse over this area and you'll see a pencil icon appear, which is the Edit tool. Click on this icon to begin editing the email details. If you need to add another email address for this contact, HubSpot makes this process straightforward. Once you're in the edit mode, you'll notice an option to add an additional email address. Click on the plus Add Email Address link. Now, go ahead and type in the new email address you want to associate with this contact. After entering the email, click Save to make sure your changes are stored. An important feature of HubSpot is its ability to automatically deduplicate emails. This means if the new email address you added is already associated with another contact within your CRM, HubSpot will notify you with a warning. This useful feature helps maintain the integrity of your contact database by preventing multiple contacts from having identical email addresses, saving you from future confusion or data errors. Sometimes, you might want the new email to be the primary point of contact. To set this new email as the primary one, look for the option that says Make Primary next to the additional email you've added. Clicking this will promote the email to primary status, while the old primary email will be automatically adjusted to secondary. This ability to prioritize emails is incredibly useful, especially if a contact prefers to be reached at a different address than previously recorded. And that's it. You've successfully managed email addresses within a contact record. Keeping your contact details current in HubSpot can greatly enhance your CRM's functionality, ensuring you're always sending communications to the right place. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope these tips help you optimize your usage of HubSpot's contact management features.